This is what I call road to freedom, escaping depression. Hey Zimbabwe, hey Zimbabwe, trikuenda. Vabereki, pindai. Ah, chafa, hapana kwatiri kuenda boys. Burukai. Ah, chitongo burukai.
Listen, we're gonna struggle to go up there.
Okay. So this is the third. Is it the third? Is this the fourth or the third? This is the third truck. The other two are in Zim already. Oh, look at that big boss and that.
I need to see what's it again.
Yeah, let's go. Let's get on with it. Yeah, they're really moving to Zim, guys. They are gone. What's in here? They are gone. And then they're gonna leave their allotment. If you can see, Chibage. That's my uncle's. But the one that's over there, that's our allotment behind this thing there. Is it the one? Yeah, I'm sure it's the one. They're gonna be leaving it behind. I'm not gonna be doing farming. Yeah, me, I'm not a farmer girl. No sir. Right, ngatigarisane handitika vabereki handitika ngatigarisane kwatikuenda kure. I've been driving for a long time this big lorry, okay? Saka munhu akangondinetsa ndichidrive lorry, I swear to God uburuka pawaburukira ipapo ndopaukusara, okay? Saka ngatitange tagarisana because hatitoda kunetsana handitika kwa iwewe uite ipanapo murume mukuru kusanyara kugarisana nana madzimai utonyari put her coat to the back, stupid. Mubereki tanzwananaka tikuenda kure anondidisturb anoburuka usari nabasa kuti une vana 5 kana kuti une mwana 1 kana kuti hauna, you will get off my roar. Thank you. Ande aiwa tisataenda ngatite ma-safety check, ma-safety announcement. Anditika in the case of a fire pane 2 exits but you can only use 1. Ndikaona munhu ada kundijambira kusaidi kwangu uku because kwenyu kwaputika ka pane munhu achakwara handiti. So in the case of a fire you use that door, don't come to my side, okay? In the case of a fire you put your belongings down and you just get out swiftly. We don't want any problems. And no insurance. Oh, so aiwa next time pendeni msinalageji. So at the minute I'm vlogging on behalf of my mother because she's busy, but what I can say is panenge pachaita crisis panapa because there's stuff in the car, the stuff that's still out that needs to go in there. Over there there's 2 fridges, just this one here and the one behind the car there. And then at home we've got a whole load of boxes and we've got stuff in the shed. So back up. What I can say is good luck. That's what I can say. That's what I can say about this, okay? Good luck to the parents. But don't worry. Yeah, we're out here. Yeah. Guys, there's still stuff at home, yo. Well. I don't know how everything's gonna fit, but all I can say is good luck. Good luck. Good luck.
Wait.
So what you doing? What you doing?
Shopping? Like more supplies for the first 2 months at least.
2 months? You think that's only gonna last 2 months?
How long do you think it will last?
It's only 3 of you.
Well, sometimes we do have visitors. You know Zim. You know what Zim is like.
People in Zim eat too much, that's what I know. All these groceries, no plastic bags. All these groceries, no plastic bags. What we got in here? We got a bit of a Weetabix cooking oil. What's that? What's that? That baking paper? That's a blender there. More cooking oil. Yeah, what's that? What's that? It's a bike. Whose bike is? I don't know. Yeah. I don't know what all this is. I think this is like material and stuff. Floorboards. Oh, this is our old floor. Wow, you've lived a long life.
And these are tissues. I've got tissues there as well. I should have enough for at least 4 months. To last 4 months so that I don't have to be buying and
Trouble. Smile. Oh, they want me to work. We are almost done. All this stuff is still gotta go in. And there's also 2 washing machines that need to come here. After those 2 washing machines, we're officially done. So it's this stuff and the washing machine. And then this guy is going to Zim tomorrow after 20 years in England. He's calling it quits. He's saying, oi oi, I'm going bye-bye. I've had enough of this. I'm out of here, Boris. Have your country back. Have your job back. Even though he didn't work for anyone, he didn't steal nobody's job. He's got his own company. So I'll be taking over the company very soon. It's maintenance facilities. So, you know, CEO things and that, director things and that, boss things and whatnot. I already know what it is.